psychopath sitting next to you.
Guys, so what's up? So today I'm going to be talking about the D4C stand from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Part 7 Steel Ball Run. So let's just get started. So abilities. D4C is one of the most powerful stands, or actually is probably the most powerful stand in JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. And in its default form, it is a close range stand with above average strength and speed. It is able to punch a grown man away violently. But its most impressive showing of strength being when D4C came out of Hot Pant's side and impaled her. D4C was also capable of rivaling a transformed Diego Brando in speed. Although still exploring its full potential, Valentine is adept and creative with its powers. Dimension Hop. Dirty Deeds Done Dirt Cheap allows different parallel worlds or dimensions to coexist at the same time and or in the same place. It allows its user to visit these parallel worlds or dimensions and interact with them. Valentine travels by being closed between two objects, shown first by putting himself between a chair and the ground. Liquid materials such as water count as objects as well, and even dust or steam. Valentine only needs an infinitesimal part of himself to put between two objects to be able to hop between dimensions. Following that, Valentine may reappear from anywhere, like emerging from someone's back, presumably by affecting objects in the neighboring dimension. One of the early feats of this power was that Valentine was impervious to projectiles, as the hit body part would transform simply into a hole. However, this was then left out after its initial usage. Valentine can also pull other people or items to other dimensions by forcing them between two objects or into the object he uses as a portal. For instance, he can slam a door on them while they are backed against a wall. However, as no two versions of the same person or thing can coexist in the same dimension, one of them will have to go back into their own. If not, if they get too close to one another, both will crumble, splitting into a menger sponge before obliteration, potentially causing an explosive reaction that may harm those close by. This rule does not apply to Valentine himself. Valentine can also only partially drag people into a new dimension, immobilizing them inside an object. Diego Brando has demonstrated that people other than the stand user can pull people to other dimensions if he reuses the same objects that were used to drag them between dimensions. It is explained that the force that between dimensions, gravity as a force is able to persist with Valentine when he hops between dimensions. This keeps him from breaking into pieces and becoming shattered across different worlds. If Funny Valentine is injured, he can hop into another dimension and transfer his D4C to this world's Valentine. Said Valentine acquires the memory of the previous Valentine and becomes the root Valentine by virtue of now possessing the stand. But his consciousness remains different from that of the previous owner. Nevertheless, since each Valentine is dedicated to gathering the corpse parts and has the same personality, the differences are unnoticeable. Furthermore, he can summon any number of alternate selves to a target dimension in order to outnumber his opponents. These Valentines do not have D4Cs of their own. However, this stand seemingly being wholly unique to the root world, the single universe where the corpse resides. During the early chapters, people were somehow able to see into different dimensions from different angles, but this property is never expanded on. So thank you guys for watching this shitty video. Sorry for the stuttering, and I'll be making a part 2 of this video explaining what D4C love train stand is, and I'll see you guys next time. So yeah, I'm tired, and peace out everyone.